Same but different. Yes. Hello, my beautiful family. Today we are dressing up for outfits that I have received from Libas Cafe. Now the twist over here is these both look same, like the fabric is same, but one is suit and one is a western dress. Yes. So I want to look desi and western. I'm going to do two looks, but we are going to keep my base same. So without a further delay, let's get started. And about the dresses, I'm gonna talk throughout the video. Let's get started because I'm super excited. So let's do the base first. I'm taking my embroideries. For some fact, I'm super dry again. So I'm going to moisturize myself properly because I want this makeup to look perfect. So these guys had a store in Karol Bagh and now they have a showroom in Narayana and they are beautiful. They customize everything for you that you want and they have beautiful designs as well. So I would definitely recommend going to them. Lip balm. So I'm going to do underpainting method today and that's why I'm using my blush first. For this I've been eating a little extra blush because my base will come over it. But I think I've taken a little extra. For this you don't have to be super tidy. Just make sure that you're not making any patches. Bronzer. So I want to make my makeup look nude in the first look, that is western look, and for the suit I want it to look little like Pakistani look. So I will try that. I'm not really sure. Little did I know is my nose is super tikha like Pakistanis, but my face, my jawline is not that sharp. So I'm going to cut it today. Bobbi Brown concealer. Taking my Giorgio Armani foundation. Using very light layer of foundation because we have done underpainting. So I don't want a lot of foundation. By Mario blush stick. I just love how natural this one looks. It looks so pretty. But somehow I feel that this brush doesn't brush actually. Can you see? It eats a lot of brush from my face when I use this one. So I like to use my other brush when I'm doing the look. For this look I don't want anything pink. I want the look to be very bronze, something that I have shown you guys yesterday in my video. So that's like my favorite kind of look, pinky bronzed look. So to make sure that everything stays intact and everything should look well blended, and I want a little bit of shine, that's why I have taken my Givenchy loose powder. I'm taking my Tricta palette again and I'm gonna take this shade. This is a little broken, but I'm gonna take this shade. This color is so pretty. I mean, this looks so good when you want to achieve that bronzed look. This has a little bit of hidden pink in it, but it's brown toned one. So this looks so good. This can be your everyday blush if you're not a fan of pink blushes. Now I can always take this same blush and use it on my transition area. Like this. And I will just pack it on the center of the lid to give a matte look. This is very light brown kind of shade. Like that. Taking Nika's lipstick Wake Up Makeup. This is what I got in Nika haul. Looks nice, not bad. I'll put a very little bit of flick. I am not in a mood to do the full eyeliner. So this was it, and first I'm going to wear my western outfit and then desi. I'm going to post both the reels on my Instagram channel. Hoping you have liked this look. This is Neha Devgan. On this note, signing off. Bye bye. I shall see you in next one. Bye.